Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today we bring you a beautiful poem by John Berryman, The Ball Poem. Let's explore the deep meaning hidden in the simple looking verse. This poem is about a little boy who loses his ball, and through this loss, he experiences grief and learns the reality of growing up. It symbolizes the journey from innocence to experience. Let us first read the poem line-wise. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over, there it is in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. An ultimate aching grief fixes the boy. As he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, I would not intrude on him a dime. Another ball is worthless. Now, he senses first responsibility. In the world of possession, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, little boy. And no one buys a ball back. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes this epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. Explanation of the poem. In this poem, the boy's lost ball symbolizes his first major loss in life. The poet observes the boy's helpless reaction as he realizes that his childhood, once carefree, is slipping away. The ball is not just an object, but a holder of memories. When it rolls into the water, the boy stands frozen, experiencing a grief that teaches him responsibility and acceptance of loss. The poet does not confront him with words like there are other balls, because he understands this moment is a personal lesson in growing up. The poet also reflects that money or buying a new ball cannot bring back the feelings and experiences that come with the lost one. Let's look at the poetic devices used in the poem. Repetition. The word like what and ball emphasizes the boy's confusion and the theme of repeated loss. Alliteration. The repetition of consonant sounds like buys a ball back. Metaphor. The lost ball stands for the boy's lost childhood, a deep emotional transformation. Conclusion. The Ball Poem is a touching portrayal of a young boy's journey into maturity. Through the experience of loss, it teaches us that losses are a part of life, and through them we learn to stand up and grow stronger. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.